Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an online store for your baby products using Shopify. Now first be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First we're going to go over here on the top left to products. We're going to click on add product and we're going to start filling this information with our products. So first things first, we're going to start with our title. For example, I'm going to start with my pacifiers, and here for the description we can either write a description ourselves, or we can click over here and we can use the built-in AI to generate a description. For example, I'm going to put pacifiers right over here. I'm going to click on generate, and Shopify is going to give us a description made by an AI. Here we can either click on generate again or we can keep it. I'm just going to keep it. And here in media we are going to select an image for our product. As you can see now, our image is being displayed over here, and below our image we have a category. For example, here Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always correct. If we want to change it though, we can just click over here and change it. Here we're going to have the pricing section. For example, let's say that we're going to charge 10,000 pesos for each of our pacifiers, and each one of them is going to cost us around 7,000 pesos to make. So we would be making around 3,000 pesos at a 30% margin of profit. Here for the inventory, we are just going to uncheck this because I'm not going to keep track of inventory. And here we also have a weight section in case we are not going to do any kind of shipping. If we go over here, you can see that we also have product type, vendor, collections. Here be sure to add each product to your homepage so that it is going to be displayed in that collection. And here we can also add tags. For example, let's say baby products, and that would be one of our tags. Now once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here and we're going to save our changes. Once we are done, as you can see, if we go back, we would have our first product uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product, and I'm going to keep uploading all of my product that I want to have in my online store. So once I'm done doing that, I'll be back with you guys. So once we are done uploading all of our products, what we're going to do is we're going to go here to our online store and we're going to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to customize is going to be right here, the themes. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a lot of different free themes, and if we click over here on visit theme store, it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, which is going to have a lot of more different themes which can better suit our website. For me, I'm just going to stick with the default for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize and we're going to start customizing our website. Now if we click over here, you can see that here we are going to have different sections. These are going to be outlined by a blue line, and here on the top left there's going to appear the name of the section. If we go over here on the right, we're going to see that we have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, we're going to select an image for our image banner, and we're going to click on add images, and we're going to select, for example, this one. Once it's done processing, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the image of our banner has now changed. Now there are a lot of options over here on the right to customize, so feel free to play with them if you so wanted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the text for our heading right over here. I'm going to put welcome to my baby products store. And as you can see, the text has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click on add section right over here, and as you can see, there are going to appear a lot of different options. For example, I'm going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, a new section has appeared right over here. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on the right here on product, and I'm going to select one of my products to be displayed right over here. For example, let's choose our baby blanket, and as you can see now, my product has appeared on this section. Now let's say that we want to change it up a bit. We're going to change, for example, the color scheme to a darker one, and as you can see, the background has now changed. Now, the same thing goes for our footer and our header. We can also add sections there. For example, here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid. And for our header, we can also add a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Now, another very important thing about our header is that right over here, our store name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to click on save, and we're going to exit, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, and once here we're going to choose a name for a store. For example, I'm going to put baby products, and I'm going to save it. So in order to check that everything in our online store is set up the way we wanted, we're going to go over here on the three dots, and we're going to click on preview. As you can see, this is going to redirect us to our online store, to our website, and right over here on our header you can see that the name has now changed. If we keep going down, we can make sure that everything is set up the way we wanted, so that way we can check that everything is running correctly. So once we are done making our website, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the analytics and marketing section. Now guys, this is going to be a very important section for us. This is going to tell us our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things. For example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information, which is going to be really helpful for us to manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. The last thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the discount section. Here we're going to click on add discount. We're going to choose amount of products, and here we can customize our own discount. For example, here if we click on generate random code, Shopify is going to provide a random code for us, or we can just change it. For example, let's put baby products 101, and this is going to be our discount, our code. So we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. I'm going to choose, for example, a percentage amount, and I'm going to put 10%. Here we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. We're going to click on browse, and we're going to choose our home page. If we keep going down, you can see that we have a lot of different options to further customize our discount. For example, the minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, maximum amount of uses for our discount, the combinations, and right over here we can set an expiration date for our discount. For example, we're going to click on set end date, and today is the 11th. We're going to choose the 18th, so that our discount is going to last for a week. So once we are done customizing our discount, we're going to click on right over here on save discount, and we would have our discount ready to post on social media, share with friends, or use it however we would like to. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.